In this video, we will show you how to view activity history in Gemini application or Gemini Artificial Intelligence. If you lost your comment while your comment previously is great, you can see the activity history to check your previously comment. First, to see your activity history, you can see on the left corner of your navigation, you can see there is activity of your comment of the BART or Gemini AI. If you can see, there is just comment that you previously enter or use on the Gemini AI. For example, you can open one by one here, okay? Or you can easily access your previously chat or comment by clicking one of the recent comment here. Select just create logo with the text here. This is my recent comment. You can see all of your recent comment about this will appear look like this. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to view the Gemini activity history. Hope this video helpful for you.